Hello guys, today in this video I am going to demonstrate you how you can create an introduction video for your channel or for any other product. So you can see here, this is my introduction video of my channel. So I am going to demonstrate that how you can create similar video free of cost using Canva. So let's move to Canva here. You can see I have registered in the Canva and this is my free account. Okay, and here to create a video I will click on here, create a design, and once I will click on here, then I will search video. Okay, and here is the first thing, video is coming here, and you can see it is going to create the video in 1920 into 1080 pixels. That means it will be the full HD video. So I will click on here, and you can see this is the this has opened the new design page, and right here we can design, or we can also get the templates from here. We can search the template from here. Okay, but I am not going to put any template. I am just going to change the color here. So suppose I am doing it as blue. Okay, and now at this screen I will search the element. Okay, and the element is going to be the animation of a rabbit, and from here I will click animated and I will apply the filter. So you can see now I got this. So I will resize it. Okay, and I have put it at the middle, and here now I will add the text just below this. So I will add the heading first of all, and here I will put my channel name. Okay, now I have entered the channel name, and I will also just made the text little smaller, and I also need to change the color here because I do not want it to be black. So I will click on the A icon, and from here I will choose the white color, and now you can see the color is white. And I will also add the subheading, and in the subheading I will add okay tests.com. Okay, so now this has been created the first page, and again now at the, so you can see here at this page it has gone to the 8 seconds time, but I do not want to set it at 8 seconds timing. I will reduce the timing to 3 seconds, and then I will duplicate this, and at this screen I am going to write the step by step, and in the subheading I will write tutorials, and here at the place of rabbit I will add video icon. Okay, so it's in the same way you can also search any different icon if you want. Okay, let me remove the filter first here, I think so, because okay, and now you can see it is coming in my recently used. So I will add this here, and make sure to match the color. As you know, you can see that I have the text in the white color. That's that's why I have also added this in the white. Okay, so that everything should look similar. Okay, and on the next page I will add the subscribe. So again I have created one duplicate, and here I will remove it and I will edit here subscribe, this one. Okay, if you want to put any other logo for subscribe, then you can also put that. And here I will change this text from step by step to my channel, or our channel, you can see. And here I will put now. Okay, so now the designing purpose is done, and now I need to add the okay, I also need to add the logo. Okay, let me also add the logo here. So I am going to add the logo at the bottom, but if you want to add it at the place of rabbit or at the top, at any other place, you can just add that as well. So I will just put it here. Okay, and I will also add it here as well, and at here as well. Okay, and now you can see, let me play this. Okay, so you can see it is working, and its total time of this video is 9 seconds. If you want to reduce it, then you can reduce as well. Suppose I want to put it 2 seconds, not the 3 seconds, then that will be also possible to do. Okay, because this animation is not that much bigger time taking. Okay, so that's why I have put it here. Let me make it 3, because okay, so now not the time to add the audio in it. So to add the audio, I am going to use this one, the recently used, because I like this audio of like happily whistling. So I am going to add it. So let me play this. Okay, but I am going to drag it in the middle. Okay, so like this you can move the audio segment at anywhere in the selected song, or if you have any other video, you can also upload that video from here, from the upload section, and you can use that in the video. So yes, our video is ready, and now I need to download. So I will click on the download, and I will keep everything same. Okay, I want to download the MP4 video, and I want to download all the 3 pages, and I will click on download. So now you can see here at the bottom the downloading is started. And you can see here that our download is in the download section, it is coming. Okay, let me go to download. Okay, so you can see here this is our downloaded file, the top one, and I will open it, and I will double click on it to play this. Okay, so like this you can create your channel introduction video easily, just within few minutes. Okay, so now let me show you again that how you can also add the background in the same video. So again I will go to here in the templates, and from here you can search any photos. Suppose if you want to add photo, okay, suppose I want to add any blur image. Okay, so I will search for any blur background. So you can see here, if you want to add something like this, then we can easily add that as well. So let me add it first in in the first video. Okay, so you can see here I have just brought it here, and I will do it like this. Okay, so now I will right click on it and I will click on send to back. Okay, so now you can see our all things are here. So I will now copy this and I will paste it here in the other page, and again I will right click and I will click on send to backward. Okay, now I will click on send to back. Okay, so now here as well you can see our items, and here as well I will click on send to back. Okay, so here again you can see, and it is looking more professional, you can see that. Okay, so now let me again play this as well. Okay, so this is looking more professional and interesting to watch, so let me again download it as well. So I will click on download here again, and you can see it's the download is starting again. And in the same way, if you want to add video in the background, then you can add as well, in the same way as we added the image. And you can see the downloading is done here, and I will click on the downloaded icon, and from there I will click on it. Okay, and now I will double click on it. Okay, so it is looking more interesting and more professional to watch, and you can see the difference in the size of both the video because of that image. Okay, in the earlier video there was not an image at the background, and in the latest video there is a background image, and that's why its size is approximately 2 MB. Okay, so that's all guys in this video. I hope you like the video, and if you have any query or suggestions, please let me know in the query section. I will be really happy to answer your queries. Thanks guys for watching once again.